The next topic is a refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab. Suppose we have a rectangular glass slab A, B, and C. A ray of light is incident along MN on the face AB of the rectangular slab, and angle I at an angle I1. It is refracted along NK with angle R2. The refracted ray NK falls on the face CD with angle I2 and emerges out along KL with R2. Applying the Snell's law at face AV, it will be mu A into sin I1 equals mu Z into sin R1. Then sin I1 upon sin R1 equals mu Z upon mu A mu Z. Question number first. Again applying Snell's law at point K, then mu Z, because the light is passing from the glass to air, mu Z into sin I2 equals mu A into sin R2. Again mu A upon mu Z equals sin I2 upon sin R2 G mu A. Equation number second. According to the principle of reversibility of light, when final path of a light ray after suffering a number of reflection and diffraction is reversed. Now we have to imagine a plane mirror P held normal to K L. So the reflection on reflection from mirror, path KL is reversed. Path KL is reversed. For the reverse ray application of Snell's law at K, mu A into sin R2 equals mu Z into sin I2, mu Z upon mu equals sin R2 upon sin I2 A mu Z. Question number third. Multiplying equation number second and third, we get sin I2 upon sin R2 into sin R2 upon sin I2 equals G mu A into A mu Z. And here sin R2 will cancel out, I2 sin I2 upon sin I2 will cancel out, then 1 equals G mu A into A mu Z. A mu Z equals 1 upon G mu A. And again from equation first and third, we get sin I1 upon sin R1 equals sin R2 upon sin I2. From here I2 equals R1 and sin I2 equals sin R1 and sin R2 equals sin I1. Angle R2 equals angle I1. Hence the emergent ray KL is parallel to the incident ray MN. Expression for lateral displacement. Now from K, draw KL dash perpendicular to MN produced, MNC. Lateral displacement of the ray on passing through the parallel slab KL dash, then let angle KNL dash angle KNL dash equals delta, deviation on first refraction. In triangle NKL dash, sin delta equals KL dash upon NK. From here KL dash equals NK sin delta. And in triangle NN dash K, in triangle N and dash N K, K cos R1 equals NN dash upon NK. From here NK equals NN dash upon cos R1 and NN dash is the thickness of glass slab and consider T. Then NK equals T upon cos R1 From equation number 5 we get KL dash equals T upon cos R1 sin delta. Here KL dash equals T sin delta. Delta equals this total angle is I1 and this one angle is R1, then delta equals I1 minus R1, angle delta equals I1 minus R1, then KL dash equals T sin I1 minus R1 upon cos R1.